Welcome to 2280 Frederick Douglass Boulevard, located in the heart of South Harlem. This full-service condo building has a magnificent staff, contemporary design, and a number of beautiful outdoor spaces. Residence 10D is a thoughtfully designed 3-bedroom home with numerous upgrades and spectacular city views. I can't wait to show you. This smart home can be fully automated for your convenience. For example, with the push of one button, you'll get lights and music, creating instant ambiance. Enter the great room with unobstructed southern and western views. Your private balcony is perfect for relaxing and al fresco dining. To complement the dining space, there is a custom built-in bar made of Danish walnut and Pilkington OptiClear glass, plus 7 soft-close drawers for storing your favorite beverages and drinkware. The kitchen is as well equipped as you'll find in any chef's kitchen, including a sub-zero refrigerator and a Wolf dual fuel 6-burner range. The king-size primary suite gives you space to be creative. You'll enjoy a Neptune jetted soaking tub and 12-inch stereo speakers in the primary bath to make bath night your special night. There are automated custom Hunter Douglas window treatments in all rooms, plus a 4-zone Nest system for climate control. There are 2.5 bathrooms, all independently styled. 3 walk-in closets provide extraordinary storage. No basement storage cages needed here. The communal roof deck boasts a wood-burning fireplace, grill, beautiful landscaping, and gorgeous views. On the second floor terrace, you'll find another grill for dinner plans, seating with privacy screens, and a children's play area. I'm Andrea Wells, and it was a pleasure to show you this home today. Make sure you contact the Key team at CORE for your private appointment. I'll see you next time.